guys, welcome back to my little chance paradise. This is the part 2 of Guren Rock Pagoda. Now we are going through the pagodas and waterfalls. This is the gate of our Jaitio Pagoda. Now we are on the car and that costs 5,000 Myanmar for one person. I wanna explain about the basket. They carry our luggage with the basket with only their strength. This is the morning view. The roads are based on the mountains, so they have many curves and banks. Here is me. I don't know what am I doing, but I just want to show my move in my eyes. After driving for 15 minutes, we arrived this pagoda, Xinjiang town. Look at the views. The views is really amazing with cloud and mountains. Do you see the dragon of a Buddha? It means that protects our Buddha from rains and winds and also other dangerous things. Here is my pretty moms. I hate those people who keep them in the cave. They are wild animals. They have to live in the forest and feel the natures. But anyway, I feed them. This is the outfit check in the mirror. The next place is the waterfall, so I can take off my long jean now. Here. We are buying some waters and snacks. Ta-da! Finally, we arrived to the waterfall, which is near with Jaitubura. The stairs are too steep, so we are having a hard time going down. After a long journey, we ultimately arrived at the waterfall. Now we can hear the voices of water. lots of photos in there, but I didn't play water because I don't want to get wet. Here's pretty me. Now we have to climb up to the top. Here is the stair, really steep. We came here by car, but now we talk about walking back to the pagoda. We feel like climbing to the mountain.
왜? 위에.
It feels like we are in the forest and just lost. After walking for a while, we met some people coming down. They looked exhausted and said not to continue to us, just go back by car like that. If we continue, we will not reach the pagoda until it dark. They said it's really far away and also we are the last group. We have to go to over there. And also we realized that we can't walk too long. We are lined up and waiting to take the car. This is the most biggest spider that I have ever seen. He used his wooden beam to connect two trees and built a head. This is our way back to Pagoda. Here is small Jaitio Pagoda statue and others our traditional things and also traditional clothes. This is Friday evening and the peoples are more than before.
This is a view. Oh, no. This is a view in the Buddha.
As you can see, they're really crowded more than before. Here is the morning view and today is the last day of our trip.
Ui, như đấy là ngoài chân.
The fog is too thick, so it's hard to see clearly. This is Saturday morning and the people are coming more and more. Now we are on the tuk-tuk and going to the streams. Maybe it takes 10 minutes, only 10 minutes to reach the streams from the bottom of the mountain. Yay! Finally, we arrived to the streams. Do you know who is she? She is pretty little Chen. We play water in here. The water is also really cool. Even the weather is too hot, the water is so cool. Even he can swim, but I can't. As you know, we didn't got train ticket for return back home, so we are on the car now. Car ticket is more expensive than train. On the car there is no toilet and we were really worried about that. And I lost my purse and ID card on there cause I can't focus on another things. I just know I wanna pee. It's time to sleep. Thank you for watching my videos till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you next time. Bye bye.